What we do at NITREX is heat treating where the requirements are very stringent to meet, where top quality is required. And we've been doing that for over 37 years, even more. And that's why we consider ourselves an expert in the industry.
Nitriding is a thermochemical process that hardens the surface of metallic components, extending their life. NITREX was founded in 1984 in Montreal, Canada, as a company that wanted to develop a new way of controlling the nitriding cycle. We have sold the first installation in 1987, and the company has grown rapidly ever since. Currently, the company has 3 business units: the equipment division, the software and instrumentation division, and the commercial heat treating division, which provides heat treating services to companies that cannot or do not wish to do it in-house.
Heat treatment is really the treatment of steel, and you have thermochemical processes which don't really transform the core hardness of components, but improve wear resistance, hardness, the toughness of steel. NITREX is also a global partner to many companies that manufacture components that actually we are using every day.
So most of the metals that you would use every day, for instance, in an aircraft, a landing gear or piston rings, the automobile that you drive, surgery tools in the hospitals are heat treated. And the industry is composed of various segments: designer and manufacturers of furnaces, the famous oven that will heat the parts or heat treat them. Services centers where we receive parts from customers, they are heat treated and then returned to them, as well as software and controls, or manufacturer of any accessories you might think of that would go onto a furnace. Because of the synergies that we have between our business lines, we are our own customers, so we are able to test our products to ourselves first. So when we sell it to a customer afterwards, it's guaranteed that it's going to achieve the performance that we're looking for. And we serve our customers in various segments: aerospace, industrial, renewable energy, and we usually serve blue chip customers. That's a unique position in the market. We're the only one capable of serving all those segments at once. NITREX has the ability to precisely control the quality. Actually, we call it repeatable quality. That led to create a library of what we call formulas of recipe. We have over 4,000 of them. We are able to pick a formula in our library and customize it for the customer. This is very unique in the industry.
We pioneered the introduction of the oxygen probe to control the carburizing process. We were the first company to offer a fully automated nitriding system that allowed to conduct the process from the beginning to the end without human intervention. These innovations have allowed engines to become lighter, more fuel efficient, and even less expensive.
Nitro Carburizing was a low value added process. And in the last 25 years, it grew a lot. So this is where we came on board with the same control idea as for nitriding. So we derived NITREG-C for carbon. There was also a growth in nitriding of stainless steels. So we came up with the process applied to stainless steels, and it's called NITREG-S. We have a low temperature process mainly used for components where you need to avoid deformation and avoid excessive corrosion. It's called Nano-S, and this is the main family. Extrusion dyes are just a type of industrial tooling which make up window frames and a diversity of components around you, but you don't realize that they have been extruded. This mainly means that aluminum has been pushed through a piece of steel that will precisely produce a shape. Aluminum will wear out steel eventually. So we actually renitride the component. Because dyes are extremely expensive, so if you can prolong their life by 20, 15% even, it actually makes a huge impact on how cost efficient you are and your bottom line. Most extruders are not heat treaters, so we are actually a partner. Our customer buys and it runs only by itself. It does not have to form specialized personnel to learn about heat treatment. We will provide a solution with the full formulas and eventually troubleshooting as well.
Collaborations and partnerships are crucial in creating lasting change in the industry. Changes that we want to implement will serve the greater good, not one specific company or one small group of entities.
Linde and NITREX have been working together for more than 10 years and counting. There's many examples of where NITREX has helped our company. The one that I think about is a customer that we had that manufactured copper wire. Throughout their process, they had an issue with scrap rate, and it was costing the company a lot of money. We brought in NITREX to help that customer specifically with some of their furnace issues. We were able to install a complete new control system on the furnace, and their scrap rate went down dramatically. It was such a savings for the customer that within a few months, the savings paid for all the equipment that they had purchased. NITREX took us another step in the fact that they offered more expertise, equipment, and different types of solutions for our customers.
Companies that will be successful in the heat treating will keep innovating, and that's why NITREX have taken those steps ahead of time. More and more customers are asking for environmentally friendly solutions, which NITREX has, because the technology that we are using, either in gas nitriding or through our new line of product called the vacuum furnaces, respond to those challenges. The vision for the future is to help our customers building materials that will last longer and become stronger for all material built or designed on Earth and even beyond.